What's up guys, welcome to Crash Bike Rebuild. I'm Keagan.
I'm Scotty.
This is our SV1000, that's pretty erect. Let's have a look. So we can see the bike's been a bit worse for wear. Lots of front end damage. This subframe is all hanging. Forks maybe a bit damaged. Nicks in the wheels. Engine is oozing oil out here through the shifter. See these bobbins are all bent. Pipes are all scratched up. Tank's a bit worse for wear. Just general bodywork issues. Horrible Continental tyres on here. You can see this pipe is pretty badly smashed up. And yeah, so let's tear it down and see where we go. Okay, let's grab all the broken stuff off the front. Just don't snap it off. Like that, maybe we can repair this thing.
The gauges are fine.
Yeah, I know the gauges are fine, but that one side is a bit munted. I'll have a proper look once it's off. Yeah, and once that's out the way, we can take this front subframe off.
Make that.
Awesome stuff.
First part done.
It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
There you go.
Okay, you're probably gonna need to cut cable ties and shit.
Oh, look at that.
That's bad. That's a fucking battery positive. Don't touch that against the negatives because we'll get some fucking fireworks.
Well, where's the battery? Disconnect the battery.
Well, it's under the seat, so come pull this out. Okay, let's see how I can get this out. This thing's a bit crushed. Right, so disconnect battery first. Cool, first step in any good rebuild, let's get all these fluids out of here. Grab us a rag there, Skitty Pop. Shop. So these files down on the side.
What size?
Looks like a 17. Let's have a look. Let's see here. That's the one.
I still think it's...
Oh fuck, grab me some... Oh, you've got gloves here.
I still think this thing's gonna be dry.
No, it won't be completely dry. This is always fucking oil chilling and very...
Oh, you're right.
Yeah. Yep, out she goes. Oil's filthy as.
Surprised the reservoir was empty.
It was probably pretty low.
Yeah, it's still a decent amount of oil though, fucking hell.
Yeah, but not nearly enough. I think this bike needs like 3 litres of oil. It'll say next to you there on the engine.
2.7 years.
2.7, this is like 1.5.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah.
The promise is that this is it for week and dry.
It could be. It's like 50-50. I didn't pull up the manual because we don't really need it at this point.
Well, it's...
Dry. No.
But there's some in there.
Put it back. It's not it. Oh, open the radiator cap because it's probably vacuuming. Wait.
There you go.
That's it. A good old vacuum effect.
I need the containers for all this shit.
Mm.
Can't leave the line open.
Yeah. Get this down like this.
Jesus, I'm happy to do
It should be big enough.
Put that radio cap on in case I need to close it. No, in case I need to close it. In case I don't have enough as possible.
Oh, it sounds like it's emptying.
It's getting pretty full here.
Still going?
It's still going. Okay, I've got the radio cap.
Just twist it because you can break off these. Also try and roll it up.
Don't do the bike. I'm just using a screwdriver to pry around it softly.
Why is it? Why is it falling off the stand again?
Because you moved it.
These old hoses are really fucking stubborn, man. You winning?
Yeah.
Take it off with the engine, Skitty.
I can't get to it.
Okay, that's fine.
Or I would, but I can't get to it with the engine.
Is it off?
Just come on, yeah.
Yeah, I can hear all the old rubber clicking coming off the bastard. There it is. This thing's probably, that's not gonna piss.
Those things.
All right. All the pipes disconnected from the engine.
I check where this wire goes, bro.
It's just the fan. So if I pull this thing off here, its final mounting point, just hold the radio so it doesn't come smashing down. You could pull it forward and you'll get some more space. Come on.
Use the extender. Take it off.
Hey, yo, bitch. Okay, wait.
No.
Just hold it so it doesn't, because it's easy to dent and fuck up. Okay. Fuck, wait. This thing is just passing out. Where's the radiator?
The bottle's in the sink.
No, here's the thing. Bastard. Okay. Okay, so this one, overflow. Have you got the pliers next to you?
No. I'll try and do this fucking clip.
You're gonna need the pliers. Just hold the radio. Yeah, it's much easier.
No, I can't use it. There's no space.
Okay, that's the overflow off. Okay, what's... Okay, yeah, just the one clip, eh? Done. Loose. Woo! One radiator. Okay, next, let's set up the tank and the tail fairing. And need some encouragement. Cheers.
Music, bro.
The problem is when we're recording, unless we time lapse it, we'll get copyright. So I'll sing a song for them. Bum bum dum bum bum dum bum. Do you know that song? Disturbia, my boy. And the old tunes, eh? The old days. Good days when I was young.
Diamond full of cum.
Young and stupid.
Yeah.
Da 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 da. Let's see what we're doing here. Let's see. Oh, yeah, we need to plug the fuel on. This thing is empty as shit. Scotty, come have a look here, my bro. I need some help with the light.
Don't you love the smell of petrol in the morning?
Love it. I really, legit love the smell of petrol.
Alright, so
Yeah, so you should just lift up.
well, yeah, that's how we're gonna just unplug that there.
Okay, I'll lift it up. Need to just understand how this thing works.
Yeah. It'll be a clip. I'm telling you. It all clipped.
Oh, there, I see it.
Yeah, she's that. Just push the clip in and I'll pull. Or the bottom part, push the clip in.
I think there's three.
Should be in
Oh, there. Pull. Booyah. Take it. Hang on. Let's look here. One tank.
Thank goodness.
Right, getting somewhere. Progress.
We've got to take these off and then take the submarine off.
Oh, fair enough.
Once this is off, then we have more room to work with. Just make a
Rear fairing or
Yeah.
subframe?
rear fairings.
That's the business.
Jesus, that thing counts as a $100. I still, the extra right, that does count as something, guys.
I'm gonna push this thing off the fucking. Jesus. Fucking tightened by King Kong, this thing. Jesus. Bippity boppity boop.
And voila.
Right, next thing. Let's take this airbox off.
Yes. Need a star screwdriver, please.
Phillips.
Phillips.
Long?
Doesn't matter.
Fucking with these shit screwdrivers when you can use a snap-on. Snap-on, please give me free stuff. Sorry, I farted on it.
I can fucking smell it. Jesus. Sorry. Open the door.
I'm leaking from
Open
excitement.
the garage.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yes, as you could kill someone, bro. Oh my god. I was like, was it me or was it Keagan?
That is extremely rude, I'm so sorry.
No, seriously, you died from the inside.
Right?
Like, Lord.
The rear fairing.
Every single one of them.
Right, so now it's time to dump them. I hope you remember them, because we weren't exactly filming properly.
Got a good memory.
Yes, look at that table. It's nasty. It's nasty like my ex-girlfriend.
Oh, this is a K&N filter. Very nice.
And it's going in there.
Ah, fuck you! It's a K&N filter, man. Never throw this shit away.
Fair enough.
It's 100% a K&N filter.
Oh, that's
Okay, there's another one. Pull that clip back onto the pipe, and then you can pull the pipe
what I'm
off.
trying to do now.
Number 2. Just give it a bit of a twist if it's... Other one. Morning. Let me help you. You shouldn't be needing this much force. Let me help you, please. You shouldn't be.
It's tight on me, dude. It's not here. Keagan, that connects to the filter.
Yeah, I'm looking.
That part connects to the filter, so then I'm going to take it out.
So let's actually fucking us around.
This little pipe here. Which will come off with the screw.
Did you drop that into the engine? Oh, okay. Plug with the sensor here. Alright, put the air filter and the screws and shit in there.